There's a bright red tractor on Springhill Farm who's always hard at work or play.
If Farmer Fee's got a problem or a job to be done,
It's Tractor Tom that saves the day. Here's Tractor Tom. Tom, 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 Tom. What would we do without you? 3 cheers for Tom. Tom, 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 hooray. We couldn't do it without you.
It was a beautiful day at Springhill Farm. Farmer Fee and Tractor Tom were clearing out the barn. But something wasn't right.
What is it, Tom? Oh, no. Not the hens again. I don't know what's going on.
The hens had kept turning up in odd places. They'd stopped laying eggs.
Oh, look, Matt. I found your ball.
oh, thanks, Fee.
And the hens just wouldn't go to bed.
Hey, let me in.
It was as though they were scared of something.
But what? You'll find out. Thank you, Tom.
That night, Tom kept guard. I said Tom kept guard. Outside in the farmyard, a mysterious creature was on the prowl.
Come on, Riff. It's disappeared. What on earth can it be?
When Matt arrived for work next day, the farmyard was still in a mess.
Did the creature make all this mess?
Yes, but Tom and I are going to track it down.
But that could be dangerous. You don't, want me to come with you, do you?
No. Why don't you stay here and build a new hen house, where the hens will really feel safe?
Good idea.
Fee and Tom set off to search for the mysterious creature.
Your new home. You want something that's even safer? Okay, I'll see what I can do.
Fee asked Snicker and Winnie if they'd seen the mysterious creature. They'd both been asleep in their stable. But all Snicker's carrots had disappeared.
What is it? It's in that bush. Come on, Tom. It's disappeared again.
Your new high-security hen house. Wait, one at a time. It's too scary. Oh, and not safe enough? And you want 2 bathrooms? Oh, I'll see what I can do.
Mo hadn't seen the creature either. But something had taken all her new straw.
It's there! Behind the haystack! It's gone again.
In the barn, Wheezy was telling the hens a scary story about mysterious creatures and the terrible things they did. All of a sudden, the hens saw something that was even scarier than the story.
Hey! Oh, watch out! Careful! No! Oh!
Fee and Tom asked the sheep whether they'd seen the mysterious creature. They hadn't, but someone had been eating their sheep food.
And you're keeping a lookout. It's there! Oh, it's got away again.
All finished.
What's that?
The new hen house. I've built it exactly the way the hens wanted it. Come on, girls. It's your new home.
Matt, it's completely hopeless. It's far too small. We'll have to knock it down and start again tomorrow. And what are we going to do with the hens tonight? I should have known.
It's scary being all on my own. With the creature out there. I don't like it at all.
In the barn, Tom was waiting. Finally, he heard a sound. There it was!
What's going on? Well done, Tom. You've caught the creature. It's a rabbit. And he didn't want to eat the hens or any of the other animals. He just wanted their food. But how did he keep disappearing? He didn't really disappear. He just went into his burrow. He must have dug holes all over the farm. Tom, that's brilliant. Where are you going now? Taking the hens back home. They weren't really scared. They were just upset that someone had been eating all their food.
Next morning, Tom and Fee were waiting when Matt arrived for work.
Right, I'll have this knocked down in no time.
No, you did a great job. It's perfect.
What?
It's not much use as a hen house, but the rabbit loves it.
Eh? What rabbit?
The one that isn't a mysterious creature. The hens are happy too, thanks to Tractor Tom. What would we do without him?
There's a bright red tractor on Springhill Farm who's always hard at work or play.
If Farmer Fee's got a problem or a job to be done,
It's Tractor Tom that saves the day. Here's Tractor Tom. Tom, 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 Tom. What would we do without you? 3 cheers for Tom. Tom, 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 hooray. We couldn't do it without you.
It was another busy day at Springhill Farm. Mo was busy chewing. Purdy was busy sleeping. And the sheep were busy doing the tango. Fee was especially busy, painting some old garden furniture.
Waste not, want not, Tom. By the time I've finished, this'll all look as good as new.
But no one was very busy up at Matt's caravan. Matt was having a day off, so he could listen to the tennis at Wimbledon. Well, fortunately, the weather has remained absolutely marvellous here at Wimbledon.
I wish I was at Wimbledon, Rev. Imagine, all the great players, the atmosphere, not to mention the strawberries and cream.
I say, and it's an ace. And now the winner jumps over the net to shake hands with the loser. And what a
And
wonderful
imagine winning, jumping over the net with all those people watching. Can I play tennis? Of course I can. In fact, I think I've still got my old racket somewhere.
Not bad, Tom, though I say it myself. Now, I've just got to do the chairs. Will I have enough paint? Oh, yes, look. There's loads left.
See, Rev? I haven't lost the old touch. With a bit of practice, I reckon I could be playing at Wimbledon. Oops. What's that, Rev? A forehand smash? Very funny. What I need is someone to play with. And I think I know just the person.
Hello? Oh, hi, Matt. A game of tennis? You've been following Wimbledon, haven't you?
Well, yes, a bit. So, what do you say?
OK, then. But I warn you, I haven't played much lately.
No problem. I'm sure it'll all come back to you.
I suppose so. I was school champion after all.
Where are you now? Great. Well, I'll book a court and call you back. Bye.
Bye. Right, Tom. I'd better hurry up and finish so I can get some practice in.
School champion, eh? I'd better get a bit more practice in.
There. All done, Tom. And there's loads of paint left over. Right. Now for a bit of tennis practice. Thanks, Riff. You'd make a great ball girl. You know what, Tom? It's all coming back to me. In fact, I'm really looking forward to playing.
But while Fee was getting keen, Matt was getting a bit of bad news.
Oh, okay. Well, thanks anyway.
Hi, Matt. When are we playing then?
It's all off, Fee. I just rang the courts in town and they're closed for maintenance.
Oh, what a shame. I was looking forward to a game too.
Me too.
Oh, well, can't be helped. See you later then. The courts are closed, Tom. No tennis after all. There's nothing to be done. There aren't any other courts round here. Make our own court? I don't know about that. I mean, we'd need a flat, grassy place and a net. And it would all have to be marked out with white paint. You know what, Tom? You're a genius.
So Tom gathered everyone together and they set to work to make Springhill Farm's very own tennis court. Everyone worked really hard, and soon the court was ready to play on.
Right then, Matt. Are you ready to take a beating?
We'll see about that, Fee. May the best player win.
The atmosphere here is electric on the centre field as the legendary Matt meets Beckton school champion Fee. The first game's running close, and the score at 30 all. Matt to serve. Oh dear, bad luck for Fee there. 40-30 to Matt.
Yes!
Matt to serve again. Net. Little bit of trouble with the ball girl there. But no problem, Matt's got another ball. He serves. It's a strong one. And oh dear, Fee doesn't quite get to it. Matt takes the first game.
Yes! I win! Woohoo! Matt rules! Yay!
Well, this is very unusual. It looks as though Matt's going to jump the net, even though he's only won the first game.
Oh!
Oh dear, he's in trouble.
Oh, Matt, are you all right? Anything broken?
I don't think so, but I twisted my ankle a bit.
Well, you're only supposed to jump over the net at the end of the whole match.
I know. I got a bit carried away.
You were lucky you weren't stretchered away. Sorry, everyone. It looks like that's the end of the tennis for today. I know it's a shame after we made this lovely tennis court. But I can't play by myself, can I? You, Tom? You can't play tennis, can you? Oh, you've been secretly practicing. Right then, let's give it a shot.
Here on the centre field, the excitement's rising because we're being treated to a very special exhibition match. Fee versus Tractor Tom. And it's Tom to serve. Fee and Tom were so well matched that in the end they decided to call it a draw.
Woohoo! Great match! Woohoo! Hooray! That was fantastic, Fee. As good as Wimbledon any day.
Thanks to Tom, world champion tractor. Anyway, the best is yet to come.
It is?
Definitely. I mean, when you think about it, what's the best thing about Wimbledon?
Let me see. Oh, wait a minute, I know.
Exactly.
Strawberries and cream.
cream.